Oh man, talk about a roller coaster ride for Palantir stock. I mean, yesterday we hit, I think, or was that 2 days ago? Either way, we just recently hit $82 per share. And this morning we hit $68 per share. You heard that right. We got down $14 from the recent high, or about, let's see here, guys, 17%. So we have to do an update on the charts here, what I'm looking to do, and where I see this stock going in the short term. But first, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And of course, get your free stocks for a Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You'll get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You'll get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So again, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And now let's get into it. So Palantir, like I said, guys, it's been a roller coaster. It's down about 0.25% right now. Earlier in the day, it was down even more. We hit $68. So at one point, we were down about 4.5%. And like I said, guys, we're down almost 17-18% from the all-time high. And just from yesterday's high, at one point, we were down 10% when we were at $68. And now we are down, let's see here, folks, 6.5%. So PLTR, no doubt, is continuing the sell-off, even though it's only down 0.25% right now, pretty much at break even. It is still continuing the sell-off here as we took out the lows today from yesterday and from Monday. And now we're pretty much, at the lows from around a week ago where we hit on the 4th. So yeah, last Wednesday we hit $67 per share. Then we rallied all the way to $82. We're pretty much back down to where we were a week ago, right? Slightly above it. I mean, we bounced off of 68. We're at 70 now, but we're close to where we were a week ago. So all those gains now have officially evaporated. Those short-term gains, that is, right, that we saw from 68 to 82. That was a big move of about 20%. Those are gone, right? And the head and shoulders, that's pretty obvious on this chart on the 5-day, 5-minute. That played out, right? And again, we're still in a little downtrend here, quote unquote. Obviously, Palantir, guys, is still uptrending in the grand scheme of things here, but we're still holding this downtrending channel. If I draw it out, you guys can see, we're still in that, are we not? And as of now, it looks like we are bouncing off the bottom of it, but how much, what is this rally going to look like? Does this rally have legs here? Will we get back to the mid-70s? Let's see. The charts aren't pointing to that yet, quite yet, as of now. But that's what we're noticing on the 5-day, 5-minute. At least that's what I'm seeing. What are you guys seeing? Let me know down below in the comment section, guys. But that's kind of what I'm seeing in the shorter term here. And on the 1-hour chart, you guys can see we're above the 180 moving average. The head and shoulders is pretty prominent on this time frame. You guys see that. But overall, we're still holding trend. We're right back to where we were a week ago, which a week ago we were a lot higher from where we were a week before a week ago, if that makes any sense, right? So we're still looking great. The uptrend week over week is still looking decent. It's holding. And guys, I mean, this is a pretty healthy pullback that we got, a much needed one, if you ask me. We almost got into a bear market. We got down, like I said, 17-18% in that ballpark, which a bear market is whenever a stock goes down 20% or more from a recent high. So we got down about 18%, almost there. So much needed pullback, healthy, and overall on the 1 hour here, we are holding trend. Now, I want to wait for the confirmation of the breakout here on the 5-day, 5-minute, which now that I'm looking at it, going back to the 4 hour, we kind of have a bit of a wedge here. sort of, right? And here on the 5-day, 5-minute, we can see clearly the lower highs that we've been making, this resistance. So the confirmation in my eyes would be if Palantir in the short term could break above $73, the opening price from today, and ultimately if it takes out $75, which was the high from yesterday, right? So if we're able to get those two breaks, that would be the confirmation of the overall breakout, maybe back to all-time highs that I'd be looking for, right? So I'm going to set my alert, one of them at least, at $73 per share, and I'll do another one right now at $75 per share. Mark is at or above. And yeah, let's see if we can get this thing on the breakout. It could be a nice trade. Obviously, I'm in it personally as a long-term investment, but in my trading account, I wouldn't be opposed to playing that. You know, if we get the confirmation of the pop here, maybe momentum could start to build up again from there. Maybe we go to yet again another all-time high. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now on PLTR as it's trying to fight back over the 70s here. If I actually clear the drawing set very quickly, guys, and show you this before we move on here, we can see now in real time we're battling to break out of the support that held pretty much all of power hour yesterday, being about $70.50. This is a big level of resistance now. It was support yesterday, this morning as well, till we broke under it. So, yeah, I'm thinking if Palantir honestly breaks 71 as well, that could be a sign that we're going 73. Then if 73 breaks again, 75 could be next. So I'm actually going to add another alert here at $71 per share, and we'll see what we do moving forward. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to sign up to that email list if you have not done so already. It's free, linked down below in the description box. So let me show you this. The indexes right now are all green. They were red earlier in the day. Some of them were, mainly the Dow. But now the Dow's up around 35 points. It's creeping up a little bit. Not bad. As the S&P 500, guys, is trying to get to another all-time high. We're up 0.8% right now. Looking pretty good after we got the CPI data, which I'll make a video on that. But yeah, that sparked the rally here, guys. We're seeing a big rip on the S&P, almost all-time highs. NASDAQ looks like it hit an all-time high. NASDAQ 100 here, QQQ. 528 is where it's at now. 530 is where it was earlier. We're up 1.6% on the day here. Very, very good for the NASDAQ, guys. Russell's up around 0.5%. Pretty good, although it's still in this little downtrend on the 5-day, 5-minute, which ultimately needs to break for the bulls, obviously. But overall, guys, come on. We're still looking fantastic on the overall 4-hour chart on the Russell. So we got to cut it some slack, man. Cut it some slack. So, yeah, what do you guys think, man? We're up across the board, looking pretty good. That's my thoughts on, Palantir so far today and the overall stock market, guys. We're looking really green. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. We're on the road to 50,000 subscribers. I don't know if we'll get it before the end of the year. That's a bit ambitious, but hey, man, if we can get there, we'll get there. So make sure to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100. You'll get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You'll get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, guys, you got to use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Get those stocks. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.